Hello, Jutta family. This is the new dog, the one that was clever enough to make his way to where the food was coming from, the one abandoned near the lake. Now he's come up in leaps and bounds, and he's very quickly a happy boy. He's made friends with Bullis as well, as you can see. So Bullis goes for a walk every day, and the little one is joining in because he's made a friendship with Bullis. See, look at the tail, he's happy already, which is great. I think he had plans to be rescued by Jutta Shelter because he was making his way there. Now this is the beautiful lake, Sweetwater, and Yorgos and Lazarus are taking them for walks. Lazarus is the maintenance guy, builder. He loves animals. He's an animal lover too, so whenever he comes to the shelter to work, he always spends a little time with the animals. Look at Bullis and paddling. He knows how to walk on a leash. He's so sweet. And the other one is playing. So now the shelter luckily has 3 willing men to take the dogs for short walks if they haven't got much time. Very sweet indeed. Bullis sometimes goes to the office as well, to the school. He needs to calm down, he's young, bless. It's very nice to see rescue dogs settling in shelter life because this is the best they ever had. Apart from the ones that used to have homes, these little ones, the hunter ones that were abandoned and lived in appalling conditions, are having a wonderful time at the shelter. To them, that is paradise. Bullis loves the water. Look at that, likes paddling. He chooses to go on the side where there's water. So the men taking the boys out for an enjoyable walk and a break in their work. The young new rescue is available to sponsor and adopt. Thank you very much, Jutta family, for all your support. Without your support, these babies wouldn't have a safe life. Okay. Wonderful.